Still can't get it open. What is going on here? Is it not? Let me hold it down. Let's see. Welcome to Court in the City. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My shirt's a little wrinkled, but y'all gonna excuse that, right? Y'all gonna excuse that. Okay. Alright, so I'm here to let y'all know, like, I haven't been taking care of my hair. I've been being crazy and just like wetting and throwing product on this hair to put it in a bun every day to go out, and the little baby needs some love. So I'm going to show y'all what we have here. Yeah. So, can y'all hear it? It's so dry. So dry. So, what I'm going to be doing today is trying to get my hair back to like a hydrated state. And when I put food in it, that is what helped the most. So I'm going to be doing a banana, avocado, and olive oil mask on my hair today to try to get some hydration back into this fro, because this not how me and my girl do. This not how I take care of her. She know, and she's showing me that I need to be better because it's shedding, hair shedding all everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair because there's no way that I could put anything on here as dirty as it is. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my mask that I'm gonna make, and this time I'm gonna use frozen bananas, and I'm gonna tell y'all why when I come back. So stay tuned. I'm about to go wash my hair and we'll be back to do a mask on my hair. So I'm back and I have washed my hair, and I also cut a little bit of it off because I just felt it in my spirit that those ends needed to go. And I know people say don't cut your own hair, but who else gonna cut it? I'm not going to no shop right now. But I'm back to make a mask, a hair mask that is supposed to hydrate my hair. And I'm gonna use bananas, but this time I'm gonna use frozen bananas. And the reason why is because banana and avocado get stuck in your hair. I don't know if anybody's ever had that problem, but it gets stuck in my hair. So I'm gonna try these frozen bananas because they always make my smoothies super smooth. So I'm gonna see if using frozen bananas with ripe avocado that's super soft makes it so it's a little bit smoother, just because I lost my strainer or I might have thrown it in the trash. Whatever, you know. So we're gonna use these frozen bananas. They look a little brown. If you don't wanna use brown bananas, then don't use brown bananas. With me, I'm gonna use these brown bananas. I put a little in my blender. This is, yeah, my magic bullet, I guess my blender. And I'm gonna put a little water in there. And I'm gonna blend this up without the avocado, just because I only have one avocado, and just in case I mess this up. So I'm gonna blend the banana up, and I'll let y'all know if this was a good idea. I hope that this is not too liquidy. Let's see. Smells good. All right, so I think that might be a little liquidy, but I think that once I put the avocado in it, hopefully that works out, because if not, I can't do no mask for y'all because this is the only avocado I got. So I'm gonna do one. This is what it looks like. All right, so I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. I mixed the first half of the avocado in, and you guys, this might be the best thing I've ever done with myself. All right, so I'm gonna scoop this second half in here. Oh no, it's not, it's not mixing no more. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in here. Just like a spoonful. This is the olive oil I'm using. So I'm gonna take a little olive oil, just like, I spilled it. So I'm gonna pour a little on there and pour it in here. And hopefully that provides assistance to get the rest of this avocado blended up, because honey, this is starting to look very good. I'm excited. Using frozen bananas was the best idea I ever had. Oh my goodness, you guys. I poured most of it out already, but can you see it? This is perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so smooth. It doesn't have chunks in it. I cannot wait to put this in my hair, guys. I'm amazed. Oh my goodness, my hair is gonna love this. All right, so let's get started putting this in my hair. So I've already sectioned my hair, and like I said, cut some off because that was just what was in my spirit. So my hair is a little damp. And I have my little brushy here. This hair is so dry, guys. I don't even know if you can tell or see. Let's see. So we're gonna just start putting it in my hair. Look at the curls already. Look at them already. They're like, girl, we love you. Why you take so long to put food in here? You know we love food. My hair really loves food. Honey. I really like putting product on my roots like relaxer, because that makes me think that it's gonna come out so smooth. It smells good too. Ooh, honey. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking to y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in here, and that'll be that. Hair is still shedding like crazy, but that's okay, because that's why I'm doing this. I know what my hair needs, and this is not okay. Even though this seems like a little bit more hair like shed while I washed it, like hair's been shedding all over the place. So this hopefully will help with that. So everything is in. I have finished putting the mask in my hair, and I'm going to pull this back and put it in a shower cap for about 45 minutes to an hour, because I really need this hydration. So I'm going to leave it in my hair longer than I normally would. Usually I leave it in for about 30 minutes, but now I'm going to leave it in for about 45 minutes to an hour, like I said, and just see what the results are. So after I finish washing it out, I will show you guys the end result. Can't wait to see how it turns out. So I'm back. I've washed the mask out, and I also have my robe, because I decided to take a shower when I washed the mask out, and I just feel really good. I don't feel like putting on clothes. So now y'all just see me in my robe dancing. But I'm so happy that I did this. Like, my curls look great. My curls look great. And this is nothing on. I just washed it. We still have some work to do up here, but it's way more hydrated. The front of my hair is always disrespectful. It doesn't do what the rest of it does. So we're going to work on that. But yeah, I got some good moisture in this hair, honey. Yes. Ugh, water everywhere. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming back and liking my videos. If you are not subscribed, be sure that you do that. And I will be back next week with another video.